Hey, Raz, what are you doing? Raz, Raz, baby, what are you doing? You were eating Grandma's head?
Yes.
What are you doing? Raz, what are you what are you doing?
Ow!
Hey, what are you doing? Raz,
Ah! She clawed me.
what are you doing? Are you telling Grandma to leave?
Ow!
Raz.
Ouch! Ow! He's biting my ear.
Hey.
Ow! You're mean.
Raz.
Dad, you're mean to me.
Hey. What do you
Ouch!
think you're doing?
Ouch!
What are you doing?
Clawing me up. Biting me.